The Congress High Command has reportedly put the Karnataka cabinet expansion on hold until July 20th, while asking the state leadership to prepare a revised list of ministerial candidates. According to party sources, Rahul Gandhi was not satisfied with the initial list submitted by the Karnataka leadership, as it reportedly included several familiar names. He is said to have advised the party to give more opportunities to new leaders and strengthen its second line ahead of future elections. Sources said the Congress leadership had suggested a 60-40 formula for the cabinet expansion. Under the proposal, 60% of the ministerial berths would go to first-time ministers and new faces, while the remaining 40% would be allotted to senior MLAs and experienced former ministers. The revised list is also expected to ensure balanced representation across different regions and communities in Karnataka. Most of the new entrants are likely to be below 60 years of age, although experienced leaders may also be accommodated where required. Sources further said Rahul Gandhi has asked the state leadership to avoid relying on the old list and instead prepare a fresh proposal for discussion with the party high command. Meanwhile, differences have reportedly emerged within the Congress leadership over the selection process. Randeep Singh Surjewala and K.C. Venugopal are said to have argued that senior legislators who have won multiple elections should also be considered before giving preference to first-time or second-term MLAs. The final decision on the cabinet expansion is expected after further consultations with the Congress leadership.